Hi everyone, welcome back to this Dwight cooking show. Today I'll be giving you a baked fish recipe. Here you see I have my two red snapper that I'll be preparing. My oven is being preheated at the moment, and here are the list of ingredients. Just simple herbs, because you know once you're cooking fish it don't take a lot of seasoning, just herbs and your black pepper and your salt. Let's get this show on the road. Now what I'm gonna do first and foremost, as you see I cleaned my snapper. I'm going to put some slices across just for everything to soak in, and repeat the process on this side. Not too deep. Now you wanna just get the salt. And then black pepper. Not much. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stuff the fish with this is thyme, garlic and scallion. I already sauteed it just to get rid of some of the what do you call it, some of the strength out of it. I can't come to terms with the word. So what I'm gonna do now is just stuff the fish with some of it. So I'm just gonna use the equal amount. Just to give the fish that aroma from inside out. Stuff it up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move it to my tray. Okay guys, here's my tray. So now I'm gonna add my diced tomatoes. This tray is a bit bigger than what I wanted it to be, but I'm just gonna use it nevertheless. Add my onions. Just throw it all over it and just get them over properly. Now I'm gonna place the fish on top. And the olive oil. This olive oil is from the sauteed herbs. so you know it will give the fish a flavor. Now I'm gonna add some lime juice. Now I'm gonna just add this to the oven. And give it a few minutes. About 11 to 12 minutes, or until it's cooked. Okay guys, look at that. Nice white flesh.